These 59 seconds will change your life. If you're hearing this right now, it's not an accident. You're scrolling, looking for something, a break, a moment that pulls you out of this stillness. But deep down, you know you're meant for more. You feel it every single day. Still, you wait for motivation, for the perfect moment, for a sign. This is your sign. This is your moment, not a perfect one, a real one. You don't need a 10-year plan. You just need 10 seconds of courage to start right now. A year from now, you'll wish you started today. So make this day, day one. If you needed this, like, save, and go. You've got this.